The word astrology comes from the Greek root astro, meaning star, and logi, meaning study. That is, astrology is a study of how the positions of the stars and planets can influence personality and human relations. The basis of this science are Kabbalah and the esoteric knowledge of the cosmos and magic. The greater purpose of this is to know yourself regarding the influences we receive from the planets, the cosmos, and nature. Knowing this science, we can understand ourselves better. The astrological influence are not something determinate that cannot be changed. For example, the negative influences can be worked out and transformed into virtues. Each constellation is ruled by an element of nature. Such elements are also part of our inner nature, which influence our temperament in a positive or negative way. The element fire rules Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This element is associated with virtues such as altruism, kindness, and strength, but also with the defects of anger, pride, and vanity, among others. The element earth rules Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, and is associated with virtues such as patience, persistence, and diligence, but also the defects of gluttony, laziness, and attachment. The element air rules Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. It associates itself with the virtues such as dynamism, joy, and wisdom. Defects such as distraction, excessive thinking, and contradictions. The element water rules Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Its primary virtue is that they adapt easily to different circumstances and changes. Its defects are general physical, mental, and emotional weakness. In short, astrology is the study of the influence of the stars and planets applied to self-knowledge, since this science must be studied in our practical life, thus learning to use it to our advantage. If you would like to know more about this, you can study Samael Aounveor's book on astrology, which are not merely focused on studying the character of each sign, but rather on exercises and practices to incorporate in our daily life. Thank you for watching.